Welcome to Business Strategy to Business Plan, Part 3. My name is Jbdcolley. I'm a very experienced investment banker and entrepreneur, and I absolutely love creating online courses to help share my knowledge and experience with you. Now, if you are looking to get a much better understanding, a more in-depth understanding of business strategy, and at the same time, you want to know how to write a business plan, then this course is absolutely for you. Because at the end of it, not only will you have all that detailed business strategy knowledge, but if you follow the assignments as we go through the series of courses that I prepared for you, then you will also write a very comprehensive and detailed business plan at the same time. Now, this course is divided into 11 separate parts simply because it's such a long course. So I had to break it up into parts to make it digestible, but every part of the course takes you step by step closer to that business plan that you want to write. In this part 3, we're looking at competition, industry and markets. So we're going to go and do a deeper dive into those topics. Now, the whole point about competition is you really need to know who you're up against. And this section of the course is all about understanding the competition the firm faces in the marketplace, and it shares with you some classic business models to help you evaluate this. We're also going to have a very detailed look at external strategic analysis, looking at industry, markets, as well as how the competition dovetails into all that. Because it's the immediate threat of competitors is one thing, but you need to understand the context in which they're operating, i.e. the whole of the external marketplace. And this brings this into context. So we deal with competition first, and then we put the competition into the context of industry and markets. Now, in this course, you are going to be able to create your own business plan step by step. I'm sharing with you templates and a whole load of drafting notes and guiding you through the entire process, including lectures in every section which explain what you have to do. Now, in this project, I'm asking you to draft the first draft of your business plan competition section. And again, if you look at the project area, you'll see exactly what you need to do there, and there's a lot of resources there to help you. Now, I'm really excited about this course. I know you're going to absolutely love it. It took me weeks and weeks to make it, but I loved making it, and I really hope you're going to enjoy it too, and I look forward to seeing you in the course very shortly. So, business strategy to business plan. This is part 3. It's competition, it's industry, it's markets, it's everything you want to know about those 3. And I think you're going to absolutely love this part of the course.